not an easy measure. Our children are calculated the sums within 5 minutes. Our children has completed 80 of sums within 5 minutes. I would call our children to get prizes. First prize, P. Dashwin from first standard. S. Lana from first standard. S. Sumisha from second standard. G. Nityashree from third standard. S. P. Sangamitra from fourth standard. T. Sandeep from fifth standard. S. L. Kamlesh from sixth standard. S. Muttarasi from seventh standard. C. Harish from seventh standard. D. Jagadish from seventh standard. A. Inbarasu from seventh standard. S. Kavin from seventh standard. D. Mukesh from eighth standard. T. Sweta from eighth standard. S. L. Kamlesh, first prize. These children have completed 80 more sums within 5 minutes. Iniyasri from first standard. S. Ajay Kumar from second standard. E. Sanjana from second standard. R. Yarni from second standard. B. Bhanupriya from second standard. S. Madesh Kumar from second standard. P. Priyadarshini from second standard. S. Shri Pratika from third standard. P. Namiraj from third standard. E. Mogan Raj from third standard. L. Sanjana from third standard. B. Sanjana from fourth standard. K. Yokesh from fourth standard. R. Tamilvanan from fourth standard. T. Kishore from fourth standard. S. Parthiban from fourth standard. A. Tamilarasu from fifth standard. S. Ashwin from fifth standard. D. Jayashree from fifth standard. A. Manishashree from fifth standard. P. Gopika from sixth standard. R. Gopinath from sixth standard. A. Sarveshwaran from sixth standard. S. S. Mitran from sixth standard. S. P. Premji from seventh standard. Pugal from seventh standard. Yuvasri from eighth standard. From first standard, B. Shobana from second standard, M. Abhimanu from second standard, S. Shivani from second standard, E. Kadirvelan from second standard, T. Nakshatra from second standard, T. Rekashri from second standard, L. Raghav Raj from second standard, P. Pugalmadi from third standard, K. Dakshinya from third standard, S. Devasena from third standard, A. Yuvaprithini from third standard, B. Kirti Varman from third standard, J. Gokulavasan from third standard, S. Bharati from fourth standard, A.Y. Ovia from fourth standard, S. Kritish from fourth standard, S. Shamni from fourth standard, J. Sanjeev from fourth standard, P. Manigandan from fifth standard, M. Nivedan from fifth standard, T. Kalastri from fifth standard,